It's now been more than a month since 11-year-old Madalina Cojocari disappeared. The North Carolina girl last seen getting off of a school bus. Her mom and stepdad currently behind bars on charges of failing to immediately notify law enforcement that she was missing. And police again searched the home last week. We don't know, though, exactly what they were looking for. Those details and a search warrant yet to be released. Reporter Sydney Heiberger from our Charlotte affiliate WJZY joins us now. Sydney, thank you for giving us some of your time. You know, search warrants are public. They're public records. So why haven't we been able to get our hands on them?
Yeah, there's two possible reasons for that. The first is that law enforcement possibly could be going through the process of getting those warrants sealed from a judge, and that would be to protect the integrity of their investigation. Now, we don't have any evidence that that is the case. So the other possibility is that they just have not gotten around to bringing those warrants to the courthouse. And I actually did talk to a local criminal defense attorney here in Charlotte today about what might be their motive for doing that. Take a listen.
There's really no requirement of when they have to bring it back to the clerk's office after executing it. So it seems a way around the process of not getting it out to the public would be just don't return it.
Yeah, so as you heard from the attorney there, perhaps the law enforcement officials there's information in that search warrant that they do not want the public to know yet. Perhaps they don't want to go through the process of getting that information released, sealed through a judge. But really, there's no specific time frame in North Carolina laws that signifies when police have to drop off and file that search warrant that they've already executed.
All right, well, Sydney, you know, speaking of time frames, we know that Madalina's parents, you know, are giving different timelines for when they last saw her. What do we know about that?
Yeah, in the arrest reports for both of Madalina's parents, Diana Cojocari, her mother, said that she last saw her daughter on November 23rd. Well, in her stepfather's arrest warrants, his name is Christopher Palmiter, he told investigators he hadn't seen Madalina until a week before that. So right now, the Cornelius Police Department is saying piecing together that timeline of when Madalina actually was last seen is a critical part of their investigation. And they've actually been asking our local community here to submit any eyewitness accounts if anybody actually physically saw Madalina around that time frame. We do know we have surveillance video of Madalina getting off her school bus on November 21st, but that is really, by all accounts, the last time that anybody other than her parents seemed to have been able to see Madalina Cojocari.
Yeah, so many questions still in this one. All right, Sydney Heiberger live for us in Charlotte. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.